Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Joy. Today I will be showing you how you can grow your nail. Your nail will grow in few days. So I'm gonna start with olive oil. So I have a small container here, so I will need a small container. You put your olive oil inside the container. I have my vitamin E capsule here, so just I'll just mix it together with the vitamin E oil with the olive oil. So I'll mix it together. This is a step 1, so I'm gonna show you a step 2. Step 2, you will need warm water and lemon. So I'll squeeze my lemon inside the warm water. Lemon is very good to grow your nail. Lemon has antioxidant and citric acid, which will help to grow your nails. It will help to fight bacteria on your nails and strengthen your nails. So I'll mix it together. So the next one will be, I will add olive oil to it. So I mix it together. So I'm gonna dip my hand inside the water. So you dip your hand for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I will clean off my hand. You don't wash your hand, you just clean your hand. Put your hand inside the water and lemon and olive oil for 30 minutes. Then you take the first ingredient, which is vitamin E oil and olive oil. So you put it on your nails. You massage it. You do this day 1, day 2 till from day 4 you'll start seeing results. From day 1 to day 4. So you continue doing it like that. So I'll move to the second hand. So this will help to grow your nails. The vitamin E oil and the lemon will help to strengthen your nails, and your nails will look shining, healthy. So you keep on doing that. You massage it for 10 minutes. And your nails will look so healthy. Healthy, shining, as you can see. So you massage it for 10 good minutes. and from 4 days you start seeing improvement on your nails. So that is the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my video. I upload video almost every day on this channel. So thank you. Please share this video with your friends, your loved ones, and your family. Check out other of my video. I have amazing and interesting video that you will benefit from it. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Bye.